Hello everyone. For the last year or two, we've heard a lot of noise about a job called prompt engineering. The idea was simple. If you knew the magic words to whisper into ChatGPT, you could unlock its potential. It was the hot new skill. But let me be clear, technology moves fast, and what was cutting edge yesterday is becoming standard today. We are now seeing a tremendous shift. We are moving away from just talking to AI and towards managing systems of AI. And this shift is creating a new, highly valuable role. A role that isn't just about asking questions, but about getting things done. That role is the AI operator. To understand why this matters, we have to understand the limits of where we are right now. Here's the thing about standard prompting. Imagine you need to build a shed in your backyard. You go to the hardware store and you find the most knowledgeable salesperson there. That's your AI chatbot. You ask them, "What do I need to build a 10 by 10 shed?" And because they are brilliant, they give you a perfect list. Lumber, screws, roofing, concrete. That is prompt engineering, asking the right question to get the right information. But here's the catch. That salesperson isn't going to come to your house. They aren't going to pour the foundation. They aren't going to hammer the nails. You still have to do the heavy lifting. Make no mistake, knowing what materials you need is important. But building the actual shed, that is what holds the value. Think of an AI operator like the general contractor on a construction site. A general contractor doesn't just know about wood. They know how to hire the carpenter. They know how to schedule the electrician. They know how to ensure the plumber shows up on time so the whole house gets built correctly. An AI operator doesn't just type into a chat box. They design workflows. They connect different software tools. They oversee a team of specialized AI agents to finish a complete job. Let's look at a real-world example of how this changes the economy. Imagine a small business trying to run their marketing. In the old world, the prompting world, a human had to sit there and ask ChatGPT to write a blog post. Then the human had to copy that text. Then they had to go to another AI to generate an image. Then they had to log into their website to post it. Then they had to log into LinkedIn to share it. The human was still the glue holding all these separate pieces together. It was exhausting, and frankly, a poor use of human creativity. The AI operator builds a system where this happens automatically. They set it up so that when AI A finishes writing, it automatically hands the baton to AI B to create the image, which hands it to System C to schedule the post. The operator isn't doing the work. The operator is designing the machine that does the work. They are ensuring quality, efficiency, and speed. Now, I know some folks get nervous when they hear this. They worry this means humans are being replaced. But I hold a more optimistic view. This isn't about replacing human judgment. It is about elevating human potential. When you aren't spending your day copy-pasting text between different windows, you have time to think about strategy. You have time to think about creativity. You have time to think about the ethics of what you are building. The job of the future isn't knowing how to talk to a machine. It's knowing how to direct machines to solve human problems. That is the work of the AI operator. And that is a future worth building towards. Thank you for watching. If you want to keep up with these tremendous shifts in our economy, I hope you'll subscribe and join us next time.